narinig ko from the doctor's mouth. Sabi niya, tinanong yung patient with Big C, nag-ano ka ba, nag-yossi ka ba? Sabi niya, 20 years ago. So meaning to say, what you're saying is just a fact na nagpapatunay about how that cancer cells grow and yun nga nag-multiply siya, no? As in, kung may isang nag-split into two, tapos yung two, parang siya, pyramid, di ba? Pyramiding, networking, marunong pala maghanap buhay ang mga cancer cells niya sa loob ng katawan natin. And talagang siya, takada siya, di ba? Kasi continuous yung growth niya. You cannot suppress yung growth nila. Lalo na kapag hindi ka nga kumakain ng balancing dieta, di ba? Hindi mo ina-exercise yun. At the same time, yung you have no exercise at all, di ba? And you're not really feeding yourself with foods or any vices na talagang it will really corrupt your body. Napakahirap, no?
So, meron pa tayong panahon mag-change ng lifestyle.
Correct.
Kasi isa yan sa mga major decisions that we have to do na I think naman yung 5 to 7 years of partying, medyo nakakasawa naman yung kung
Kota na
inaraw-araw
ba?
mo, di ba?
Kota na.
Kota ka rin